In our last session, we formed a basic shape for our skull, and now we've allowed our clay to dry to leather hard. In this session, we're going to begin outlining the facial features and begin carving these out. As you can see, I'm outlining just using a sharpened pencil. Now, of course, you can also use a needle tool or a scribe tool to do this. With the basic facial features drawn in, I'm going to use a cleanup tool to go back and carve out the eyes, nose, and mouth. Take your time with this and cut cleanly. It's a good idea to begin carving lightly and then go back in on a second pass to cut deeper. Be careful not to distort your pot while you're doing this. It's a good idea to allow it to reach leather hard before you start carving to help prevent it from going out of shape. If you have complex shapes, it's a good idea to break those complex shapes down into multiple smaller shapes in order to make them easier to cut out. Now we want to smooth the inside and outside of our cuts so that the edges are nice and smooth and look presentable. I'm going to take this opportunity to add a few more details around the mouth. Now I'm just going to go over everything one more time with the cleanup tool. A few extra minutes spent cleaning up your work now will make all the difference later. I'm just going to carve a few more details in at the end of this session, and in our next session I'm going to sculpt some more details and attach them.